Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to learn Weird Little Birthday by Happyness. Thank you so much for those down below who asked for this video. I actually couldn't believe it. Start with the rhythm part. So we just have 4 easy chords. That's your G major 7, 11 I believe, and then just a normal C major 7. The strumming pattern is down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Use those between, and what we're going to do is we're going to have those same shapes and we're going to use hammer-ons basically. So when it comes to the C, just the normal C, just the pull off, then we hammer on and do the same pull off. So we kind of do like a build up, so it's strum with the hammer on, pluck the string, and so it's, and then comes the part that was like, that's basically it. So let's move on into the verse, the bridge, and this is basically, we start here, these 2 fingers. And the important thing I like to us, this is the G major scale. So we start with 6 and 9. So it's rest. I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. So we're gonna slide up. I'd say try and add as many vibrators as you can. So we have 2 solos and I'm going to go through them and then I'll explain them. I think that'll be easier. So we're going to start here. So then we're going to vibrato on this one. And we're going to end here. And I like to hammer on. I also like to switch the fingers here. Just because I know I'm going to slip back here. Do the same thing. Vibrato a bit there. So what I did was I slid without stopping. From the 4th to the 2nd, all the way up to 5th. And I'm going to hammer on. Hammer on, vibrato, slide. And I actually do this little riff that I think they did in MP Artist, so. So notice I didn't actually pluck this string. I just tapped on it. But you can pluck it if you want. I just feel like it gives a nice tone if you don't actually pluck it. So hammer on, leave it open, tap it, and hit it again. So slide up and vibrato all the way to 7. And I know that you look cute. You can vibrate if you want. Okay, and for the next solo, we're just gonna have a little walk up and down the scale. So then we go down on the same notes we hit before, and that's in the simple slide up. So I keep these 2 fingers together, hammer on. I actually hit the string. I slide up, then I hit this guy. So, and then hammer on. what I do with the vibrato, slide up and down, hammer on again. So hammer on, slide, slide, and then I come back to this. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I'm gonna try and release as much video as I can before I go back to school. I'm a bit sick right now. Wish me luck, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Let's show you how that looks like.